First, open your Facebook app and go to your profile. From your profile page, tap the three dots on the right side of the screen to open your profile settings. Now, if your profile is locked, you'll need to unlock it first. Tap on Unlock Profile, then select the Unlock option in the middle. Confirm by tapping Unlock Your Profile at the bottom. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. Just tap OK. With your profile unlocked, tap the three dots again to go back to your profile settings. This time, you'll see the option to Turn on Professional Mode. Go ahead and tap on that. Facebook will give you a brief overview of what Professional Mode offers. Tap the blue Turn On button to proceed. You'll then be prompted to choose a default audience for your future posts. For growing your audience, Public is recommended. Select it and continue. Next, you'll see a review of the public default audience settings. Take a moment to look through them, and if you're happy, tap Confirm. Just keep tapping through these introductory screens. You'll land on your new professional dashboard. Here, you can select a focus for the week. We'll stick with Quick Start. And that's it. You can now explore your professional dashboard, track your progress, and check out your achievements. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials.